This broccoli took a touch of frost, so I'll get a little bit off, but our goats are going to enjoy a lot. And there's no point in cutting it back and hoping for other broccoli, so this is going to the goats. So we're preparing the broccoli, and since we're rural people, we save every bit of the broccoli. Look at these stalks here. You might think, oh, aren't they tough? Shouldn't they be thrown out? No, I'm just going to slice them quite finely so that they'll be cooking at about the same time the broccoli is cooking. I might do a little split up the stalk right here. You can see this. They'll cook faster that way. Now this sad fellow was frozen. I cut it off. And I wanted to see if I could save any tidbit of it. And look at, I have just 2 little flowerets that I can save. Not here, not this. This is going to the goats. I can save this. And all these nibbles go to the goats. So with this pasta ai broccoli dish, we're keeping our family happy tonight. And our goats as well. This goes to the goats tomorrow morning. Here we come. Draining my broccoli. See that nice brodo de broccoli, the broccoli water that we're saving. There we go. Drain this here. And this broccoli water is going to be returned to the pot. I'm going to bring it to a boil, maybe add a touch more salt. And when it comes to a boil, I'm going to cook the pasta in it. But before I do that, I'm going to be making the sauce. We'll do that in just a second. I can see that I want to add a little bit of moisture. There we go. And not only a little bit of moisture, but why not a little bit of extra virgin olive oil? Can only add to the delicious flavor. And that's the consistency that we want. And now the pasta water is boiling. And I've added a bit of water to this, and I'm putting in half a kilo for 5 people. And again, I'm using sedane rigati. You may want to use rigatoni, fusilli, thicker pastas. Here we go. It's already been salted when we cooked the broccoli, and I added a touch more salt. They'll come up to a rolling boil, and I'm going to drain it when it's al dente, to the tube. If you overcook your pasta and you have Italians for dinner, throw it out and start over. Your dog will enjoy it.